While doing this lab, you may ask, why titrate? What's the point? Why is it necessary? Well, titration is used to determine the concentration of an analyte in a solution, the stoichiometry of a reaction, the number of electrons gained or accepted in a redox reaction, or the solubility products. It can be used for a variety of reasons. In this lab, the main goal of our titrations was to find the concentration of a specific solution. Before you can begin your titration, you must prime your burette. To prime your burette, you must rinse it with water and solution 3 times. When rinsing with solution, make sure to twirl the burette so the solution coats every area of the burette's insides. When pouring solutions into the burette, make sure you hold the burette at eye level so you can see the initial volume. As soon as you get your burette set up and primed, make sure to clamp it. In this video, we have already added drops of indicator into the solution. The indicator used in this lab will cause the solution to turn pink when it hits its endpoint. However, if your solution reaches its endpoint and turns hot pink, you must start all over. To release the solution from the burette, make sure that the stopper is pointed vertically. Whoever is holding the Erlenmeyer's flask must twirl the flask quickly as the solution enters it. Eventually, you will slow down the movement once you see hints of pink in the flask. The closer you get to your solution's endpoint, the longer it takes for the pink to dissolve. Congratulations, you've made it. You've made it to the endpoint. Now the only thing left to do is to actually calculate the endpoint by subtracting the final minus the initial volume. Also, in this flask, this was our best endpoint. This is described by the prettiest, closest pink you can get. Now that you've reached your endpoint, make sure you read and record the final volume of the burette. By recording 2 decimal places, you are compensating for calculation or measurement errors. These additional decimal places are also due to the level of precision of the burette.